esta de aquí. Contesta.
Sí, sea lo que sea.
Pero no me escucha. Ahí abajo hay algo. Algo que no se parece.
Podría ser más experiencia, algo de baño.
Y no es un descargo el mundo. Pero intenté. Un intenso piano nocturno.
Una inteligencia no terrestre. Mídete, eso es mejor que un ovni. Pero se me ocurre otro. Objeto volador submarino. Pues sí, vuélvete los dioses, ¿verdad? No, podría ser un INT. La tía los conoce desde hace tiempo. Se pasa la vida secuestrando a gente.
Sabes, si no quieres hacerme un favor, déjame en paz. No, va, vamos, aquí está pasando algo importante. ¿Quién está histérico? Nadie está histérico. He visto algo. No quieres repetirte. No he visto nada. Lo siento. Por favor.
Es la mujer más testaruda que he conocido.
Sí, lo soy. Pero necesito que me creas. Estoy estresada, tengo síntomas de enfermedad de la presión, temblores, dificultades de erección. No. Soy yo, Linz. Me conoces mejor que nadie. Mírame cuando te hablo. Lo he visto. ¿Por qué no lo ves? Y no era algo de acero como lo que construimos nosotros. Lo más bonito que he visto en mi vida. Era una máquina que estaba viva, era como un baile de luz. Por favor, tienes que confiar en mí. No creo que lo hagas, no sé por qué, pero es un presente. Ya está.
No puede ser. Mira, estoy temblando. Espera, espera, espera. ¿Y ahora? Aquí está el Mir. Vamos, vamos, ¿qué otra cosa puede ser?
¿Por qué traerlo?
Debe ser un plan de emergencia para mantenerlo alejado de los rusos. Mira, han conectado una de las cabezas. Utilizan una especie de detonador. Después lo introducen de nuevo en el submarino y fuegos artificiales. Bueno, a tomar por saco. Es la verdad. Y no estoy para loco. Hola, Lee.
Guard to keep you safe, but it does have this adjustable bar here for the clipper length. And I'm going to turn it on so you can hear. Very, very nice, solid, high quality construction. I mean, it's fantastic, and it does a great job cutting. On the screen here, you can see that 100% power is left. It'll count down when you're, using the product, and then you know when you'll need to recharge. So that is the clipper. I will mention that there are a total of 15 guides for the clipper, which is crazy. Goes from 1.5 millimeter all the way up to 51 millimeters. So lots of variety there. Comes with the cleaning brush, blade oil. Also has a hairdressing cloth so that you don't get hair all over your clothing. And then it's got a universal voltage charger and a comb as well. The trimmer here has its own charger as well. I want to mention before I forget, as you can see on the bottom of the units, there's the charging cable area that you actually plug it into. I'm mentioning this because sometimes people ask if there are charger stands that you just set it on. That's not the case. You plug in the cord here and you just simply lay it on a surface like this. It does not have a stand. And so that's that. With the trimmers, you can hear that. Also, great construction, heavy duty. They do not have an LCD panel that shows how much time is left. So that takes a little bit of guesswork, but it's not hard to do. And with the trimmer, there are actually 3 combs or guards with that, and it also comes with a brush and its own charging cord. So great product. Fantastic set. Has everything you'll ever need. Should last you years. So highly recommend this product. Thanks.
Hi, just want to give you a quick live look of the professional hair clipper trimmer kit. It's a cordless barber clipper with 120 ml blade oil and 18 guards and complete haircut kit for men. But it's a great kit, I find. I like that it's cordless. It feels heavy duty. It's full metal hair clippers and T-blade trimmer, and it just makes it, all kinds to do here. And it offers just a smooth cutting, and it's got a 5,500 RPG strong motor and self-sharpening blades, and designed for hard carving. Get that small one there, and it's long lasting battery, fast charging technology, and I'll give you a quick closer look, and you get all kinds of hairs. These are, I'll show you one, they're just all the sizes you need, and even this fits nice, heavy duty, you know what I mean, and here's a blade. But yeah, I like that it's cordless, and even with this to help shape, and sometimes it's more convenient, And that, you want to get the hair off them, and so you'll powder and and big thing of lubricant. And some more stuff up here, little odds and ends. And comb and some bottle oil ready. But anyway, wherever you're watching from, have a great morning or a great evening. Thanks for watching my video.
Hi everybody, this is the first time that I'm using the GLAKER hair clippers. I'm just attaching the number 1 and we're going to give a nice tight shave and we're going to see how well it performs. There's not much to it. There's the taper lever which gives you a closer or longer cut depending on what you prefer. And here we have the percentage of how much juice is left in your battery. And right now we're at 100% and I'm going to get started. I should mention that these clippers have a really nice weight to them. Sorry about that, we just had a coughing fit for a second there, so this is what real life is. So far it feels really smooth, it's not catching on anything, which is super nice. Oh yeah, this is really nice. You can really see the difference between my old clippers and these ones. Like, I can feel the difference. I'm finding that I don't really need to keep going over the shaved areas as much, which is really good. It's almost a force of habit that I keep going over it. Yeah, very even cut, very nice. I'm just going to show you here. See how nice and short this is? It's all even. There's no stray flyaways. It's just really, really good. So I'm pretty impressed with this so far. So I'm going to finish up the rest of this haircut here. There's no point in me showing you everything because I'm going to be standing in front of the camera. But I will show you some before and after pictures. But I just wanted to let you see how awesome these clippers are, and I'll give you more information in my written review.
I absolutely love these hair clippers. Batteries last a very long time. If I could give it more than 5 stars, I would. I've had them for over 2 years, and one of the best decisions we've made for my wife to cut my hair.